Pinababasura ni Vice President Sara Duterte ang mga impeachment complaint laban sa kanya. Bukod anya sa kawalan ng sapat na ebidensya, nilabag din umano nito ang kanyang karapatan sa due process at double standard ang pagtalakay ng House Committee on Justice.
Because of the waiver of reply in the third and fourth impeachment complaint, it rendered the answer of the respondent as the last responsive pleading. And considering that it is the last, it is therefore further considered, submitted for the purpose of determination of the existence of sufficient ground that supports the impeachment complaint. The possibility of the respondent going to the Supreme Court again, no? And no one objected. That is the reason why the chair proceeded to declare the sufficiency in ground of the two impeachment complaints. If there is no objection, it means that the justice members are unanimous in approving the motion raised by a member. Request for issuance of subpoena of documents as well as the petition for protective custody filed by Congressman Chel Jokno.
Well, marami pong mga i-dispose na motions po doon. So yung pong bagay kay Congressman Jokno, yung custody po ni Mr. Madriaga, yung pong mga motions to subpoena all the relevant documents will be raised there. Yung pong objections to the entry of appearance, no, doon sa dalawa pong mga abogado ni Vice President Sara Duterte, yung pong subpoena ng SALENS, bank records, tax documents, corporate records po ng mag-asawang Duterte Carpio at ng pong mga kumpanya na nakalista po sa 2024 SALN will probably be raised, no, in that proceeding.